The other word for my name actually means Loveable, which a lot of people, if that really know me well, would find that kind of funny for a start. But actually I am. And this is called The Cave. Soap bubbles sucked down into the dirty drain below. I'd like to go up to people and say hello. They don't seem to like me. They don't have to say, because most of my life I've been looked at that way. So I go into a cave, and that's where I stay. But it's cold and it's damp. I suddenly wish I was sitting in an adorable cafe and not having to pay. I want to get in a big bird and fly away. Dust gathers on suitcases, but I have to stay.